Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Welcome to my launch weekend reviews for iPhone 12 and 12 Pro accessories. So recently I did an unboxing and first looks review for the CASETiFY impact cases for the 12 and 12 Pro, but I didn't have my 12 Pro phone yet. So now I'm going to do an update to that review and show you how these great impact cases by CASETiFY look on my iPhone 12 Pro. For those of you that might not be familiar with CASETiFY's impact cases, these offer 6.6 feet of drop protection. They're very slim and lightweight. They have nicely grippy sides. They have an antimicrobial coating, and they come in a really dizzying array of design options. So you can have print cases like this. Also have this really cool cow print on here. But then you can also choose a custom case, have your name on it, maybe your initials or a favorite saying, although you are limited in the number of characters you can put on there. But lots of really cool custom options here from CASETiFY. So we got quite slim sides here. You can see this kind of ridged material. The sides themselves are not ridged, that is just in the interior, and it's a material called CASETiFY. CASETiFY is what gives this case its 6.6 feet of drop protection. Overall, just a really nicely made case, has a nice feel in the hand, relatively rigid, feels like it should provide very good protection for your phone. Putting my 12 Pro in here. This goes on nice and easily. Looking at our fit, we have a very nice fit on here. Don't have a lot of lip, little bit of lip. I do have a tempered glass screen protector on here. This is the One Touch screen protector by TechMat. Just installed that one this weekend. It's pretty much an edge-to-edge screen protector, and we've got a great fit with that. If I didn't have that on there, I would have a little bit more lip, but overall, this is a really slim case and it doesn't have tons of lip. Fit-wise, we've got a good fit on here, a little bit of give here over your buttons. Not too bad. And we have a pretty firm bottom area here. I think overall we've got quite a good fit on here. Looking at our port openings, these are nicely positioned and nicely sized. We have asymmetrical port openings for the asymmetrical port design, so that's excellent. Should have plenty of space here for many third-party lightning cables. Of course, this case does support wireless charging, so you might find you're using that functionality less than you otherwise would. And of course, the case also does work with MagSafe, although not quite as well as it would with a real MagSafe case. The magnetic connection on the back is not quite as good, but it does work. You just have to be a little bit more careful with it. Going up the sides, we have a nice amount of grip on here, that kind of TPU grip, if you know what I mean. They aren't ridged or anything like that, but they feel quite secure in my hand. Going up here to our buttons, the buttons are very nicely responsive. Everything is great there, and you have plenty of space to get to your mute switch. Looking at the view from the top, again, excellent fit here with this screen protector from TechMat, the One Touch screen protector. Very nice. Then going over here to the side, again, our button here is extremely responsive. Absolutely no issues. Be aware that this clear TPU on the sides, although it looks lovely now, may have some tendency to yellow over time because that's very typical of clear TPU. However, if that's a concern for you, you can always opt to have a colored TPU on the sides, and then that becomes a non-issue. Looking at the back of the case, this butterfly pattern looks absolutely beautiful on my Pacific Blue iPhone 12 Pro. Absolutely wonderful. Keep in mind that this glossy polycarbonate back is going to have a tendency to show fingerprints and scratch, but there are a couple things which are going to help you with that. One thing is that we have a little bit of a ridge here on the bottom and on the top. This is going to help elevate the majority of the back of the case above a surface when you put it flat on its back, so that'll help lessen scratch opportunities over time. And also the pattern that is on here is both going to limit your scratching, because it's not going to scratch as easily, I think, as the glossy clear polycarbonate, and also it's going to take your eyes away from scratches because you'll be looking at the butterflies. The same thing goes for fingerprints. The butterflies themselves are not going to show fingerprints easily, and any fingerprints that are on the glossy clear part are going to be less noticeable because you're looking at the butterflies. So I think that that is a really nice aspect of these cases. It allows you to enjoy the look of your phone without obsessing over fingerprints and scratches. Looking at our camera opening, we have just enough protection here for your protruding camera, but not tons. So you do have lay on the table design, but it's not terribly well protected. And of course this case does support wireless charging, and it's going to work with the Apple MagSafe charger, but not as well as a regular MagSafe case is going to. You definitely don't have as strong a magnetic connection, so keep that in mind. But overall, just a lovely slimline case for your iPhone 12 Pro. It's going to give you that 6.6 feet of drop protection, and it's going to protect you against microbial contamination with its antimicrobial coating. So lots to love here from CASETiFY. It's also a nice easy case to get on and off your phone. No issues there. Going with one of our custom cases. Just a beautiful case here. This one has black sides, so this is a good option if you're concerned about the clear sides yellowing over time, because they might. Same fit on here. Everything looks just beautiful. And then looking at the back, we have our cool custom look. Another clear-sided version here. This one here with some initials. And then finally we have our cool cow case pattern. Just a really fun look here from CASETiFY. Customizing your iPhone 12 case with CASETiFY is fun and easy. Although there's so many options, you might find yourself overwhelmed. CASETiFY has tons of different types of cases: print cases, custom cases, colored cases, glitter cases, leather cases. Some are more protective, some are less protective, but for the sake of simplicity and sanity, let's just look at the two types of impact cases that CASETiFY sent me out samples of. We have the custom cases and we have the signature print cases. So the customization screen looks like this. You start off with a clear frosted impact case. That's basically your plain vanilla. You can change the color of the sides of the case, or you can change the color of the whole case to be either an opaque matte color or a translucent color. And then you have the option to add custom text, perhaps your name or initials. You are limited to 12 characters, however. You can customize the color of the text, the font of the text, the orientation of the text. You can go landscape or portrait. And the positioning of the text. You can be on the bottom or the middle for horizontal text, or the side or the center for vertical text. There's no extra charge for any of this customization. A plain vanilla clear case costs the same as one with colors and custom text. And as you can see, you have lots of colors of cases and text to choose from. The other option you have is to choose one of CASETiFY's dizzying array of signature prints for your case. There's really something for everyone here. Floral, quotes, custom art, marble, animals, fruits, etc. Once you've settled on a signature print you like, you can customize it further by choosing a translucent case color or a colored case side that suits you. And again, there's no extra charge for this additional customization. Again, we've been looking at the impact cases by CASETiFY for iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. These cases have an MSRP of $55, and they're available directly from CASETiFY's website. And if you want to save 15% on your purchase, be sure to use the special affiliate link specifically for my viewers, casetify.com/thetechreviewer. Many thanks to the kind folks at CASETiFY for sending me out these samples to review. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments section below, and I'll do my best to answer them. And please consider hitting that subscribe button because I've got a lot of great reviews coming up. Again, this is Kristen with the CASETiFY Impact for iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.